wanted to do a really quick video about my shower caddy. So I bought this probably about a month ago, and I put it in probably like, what was it, about 2 weeks ago. So when I first got it, I thought it was like it wouldn't work for me. I was like, okay, I need to just take it back pretty much because it's not staying up. So, I mean, I'm doing this video just to pretty much help other people, because like on the directions, it didn't really provide any information about what the plastic piece and the, let me see if I can get this out the way, what the plastic piece and the suction cup was for. I figured out what the suction cup was for, but I didn't know what the plastic piece was for. So that's pretty much, you know, to secure it in place, make sure it stays on the wall. So we got that out the way. So like, I ventured to YouTube to figure out like, how am I, you know, supposed to keep this up, you know? So I saw a video, one lady installed like a coat hanger, like in her shower on the other side, and she did that to pretty much hold up that. She didn't hang it on the shower. And then I saw another gentleman, he used this plastic piece in front of the caddy and did it that way, and he had a plastic clear pipe, I guess like to hold it, like he measured it, and it was pretty much for the neck of the shower head hose, whatever, to hold it. And I was like, okay, so I'm gonna have to go buy some more things. I got this from Lowe's. I think it was like probably about $16 or $17, whatever. But then like it dawned on me, so like that white plastic piece is pretty much for you just to sit the shower caddy down on, so it can kind of get a better fit. And it hasn't moved, because like when I initially had it on there and tried to like put the white piece in front of it, it wasn't working, it was sliding down. So this works. I'm not sure if 100% is that what it's for, what it's for, like specifically, I'm running over my words. But anyway, so it works, and I'm glad we're able to use it, because we have like a lot of stuff that we use in the shower, me and my husband. So that's it. I just pretty much made this to help anybody else that's having that issue. Like they'll put the two little pieces in there and not really tell you what it's for, and this is what it's for. To make it whole. So that's it, guys. I will see you later in a different video. Bye.